Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today in my kitchen I am making Bombay grill sandwich. Now for this, first I am going to boil 2 potatoes and 1 beetroot with little water in a pressure cooker. I am going to bring at least 4 to 5 whistles for this. Until our potatoes and beetroot is in the pressure cooker, we are going to make green chutney, sandwich chutney it is, and for that I am going to use 1 cup of coriander leaves, and to that I am going to put in 2 green chillies, and I am also going to put in half cup of mint leaves. Now these I am going to grind to a smooth paste. I am going to put in some salt, but this time I am going to put in the black salt, not the regular salt. Okay, that's what this chutney is going to be, tangy. Now I'm going to grind this to a smooth paste. That's how my chutney is looking after I've grinded to a paste. The consistency is like this. It should not be very thick and nor very thin, and I have tasted this chutney. It is very tangy because of the black salt. Very yummy. It's tasting very nice. Black. So now we are going to start placing our Bombay sandwich. First we are going to put butter. Put generous amount of butter because in this sandwich butter is there very much and it enhances the taste of the sandwich. Next we are going to put our tangy coriander mint chutney. This is what is going to give a very tasty taste, and when you put it on the butter it enhances the taste all the more. So we are going to put this now on all the 4 slices bread. You follow exactly the same step because this is how it is done in Mumbai. This is a very famous street sandwich. After this we are going to put beet. So I'm going to put beet like this. This is the boiled beetroot that we had put along with the potatoes in the pressure cooker. Now we are going to put some cucumber. The vegetables you can put as per your wish, but since it's going to be lot of layers of vegetable, we have to be a bit careful. Now we are going to put a sliced onion. I think this beetroot is not required. We'll just put it on 1 slice because otherwise it will break. Now on this we are going to put tomatoes, and now we are also going to sprinkle some chaat masala. Okay, so this is how my sandwiches are looking on my grill tawa, and this is how they should be actually.